What's up, everybody? About the Guru, and we're working on this right here. Sanded that. This. Move 2 tabs here, right? I removed 1 tab here, and I removed 1 tab here. Now I have a wire wheel, and I'm going to start removing all the rust, right? This is a XR50 R2 50cc semi-automatic little pit bike that I'm fixing up. If you guys want to see more content of this, I have basically everything to make it run. I had to rebuild a couple things to work. This is not supposed to be perfect. This is just supposed to run, you know, and it's supposed to look okay. So I'm gonna wire wheel all this like this. For example, this piece right here. That's fugly, right? So you take your drill. Let me put my mask on real quick. Okay. Alright. That spot that's nasty, you just make it look better. Trying to record and do this at the same time is difficult, but you get the idea. We're gonna clean this up and we're gonna paint it. Check that out.